The Hamilton County Commission is following through with a promise to address racism within the county. The commission declared racism a public health crisis back in July. Commissioner Victoria Parks, who is behind that declaration, says the county is doing cutting-edge work on this front. Reporter Marielle Carbone is downtown with an update on the progress being made.
Well, the declaration laid out 3 areas of action, including increased bias training, expanding inclusion, and studying disparities. Now, the county is already taking steps as far as training goes, and a lot of that will start happening right here.
COVID-19 is causing African Americans to be hospitalized at least 5 times more. Black men are more than twice as likely to be killed by police than white men.
For Woody Keown, racism in Hamilton County is a big issue.
That tells me that there is a significant problem.
But he's hopeful change is on the way.
And it's not going to be easy. It's going to take some time, but the main thing I see is a different level of commitment.
The county is partnering with the National Underground Railroad Freedom Center to provide implicit bias training to leadership in the county. Keown, president of the center, says it's a major first step to ensuring policies and resources are allocated fairly without any racial bias.
If those services are not provided, or if there are some systemic issues around racism or whatever the case might be involved in terms of how those services are provided, then that creates a perpetual problem. It needs to be resolved.
80 senior level staff members will start that training in late January or early February. It isn't just happening within the county ranks.
This is going to be something that we've never seen before.
The sheriff's office is also undergoing training. It's called ABLE, or Active Bystandership for Law Enforcement. The program prepares deputies to intervene in order to prevent misconduct or mistakes, a point of contention for protesters who filled the streets this summer.
And now you're going to have officers. They're going to be looking out for each other to save lives, to protect the safety of that officer, to make sure that that officer is doing the right thing and not covering up for something's wrong. And that's something that we should have had years ago.
And right now, 4 deputies are trained ABLE instructors, and they'll start training the rest of the department later this month. Reporting from the Banks, Marielle Carbone, WCPO 9 News.